Let's take a look at your Products Inventory tab. Please note that information here is generated by the transactions created for this product, meaning when you first add your product, the details will be blank. The Inventory tab allows you to see stock availability, locations, and set minimum and maximum alert levels per warehouse or globally. The options available will differ depending on whether the per warehouse controls setting is enabled within your account's company settings. The warehouse column lists the warehouse name, where the product is located and stored. The bin location allows you to set a bin location for the specified product per warehouse when per warehouse controls are enabled. Only one bin location field is available per warehouse. Set the minimum and maximum stock levels you would like to hold for the product per warehouse when per warehouse controls are enabled. The reorder report uses the value provided to calculate a suggested replenishment quantity. The available quantity is the quantity of stock not assigned to sales orders, assemblies, or warehouse transfers. On purchase is the number of units this product currently has on placed purchase orders. Stock on hand highlights the quantity of the stock currently on hand, not shipped, per warehouse. Alerts indicate if a product has fallen below minimum or above maximum stock level. If the min-max are left blank, they'll default to 0. The stock value shows you the total value of stock on hand for this product in the respective warehouse. You can also create a quick transfer between warehouses for your product in its Inventory tab. Select the Quick Transfer button and a pop-up window will show on screen, requiring the transfer's details: the warehouse where the stock is coming from, the number of units being transferred, and the warehouse the stock is being moved to. You can also use this link to switch around the allocated source and destination warehouses. If your product also has serial or batch tracking enabled, the Quick Transfer pop-up window will also include a section for selecting the batch or serial numbers available for the items you transfer. Do keep in mind that this is a warehouse transfer action. It will create a single transaction for a product and will set the transaction to a completed status, so you cannot add additional products or comments to the warehouse transfer. If you need to transfer more products and want to add comments, it is best to use Add Warehouse Transfer instead. Thanks for watching.